Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to a new North Carolina dairy farm because I found some new barns. Um, when we inherit a farm, my life saving of $6,000 and almost $7,000 is all I have. We may have to pull a loan, but let's get started. All right, we just left the store getting the rest of the equipment. We have a stock trailer, another flatbed trailer that can be ours if we want it, but I may have to sell it. I don't know if I want to, but I also thought maybe adding some tanks to it or something later down the road. So we'll see. But first, we've got some stuff to do. My family and I have inherited my grandpa's farm. And the last thing he did was added a business that never got off the ground, which was logging. And I think between the two, we can make money. I'm going to try to stay away from pulling loans if I don't have to. But what killed him was a heart attack. There's a tractor. Oh, Lord. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see. Okay, there was nothing to see. You didn't see nothing, right? Anyhow, we're going to pull in here and figure out where I'm going to unload all this stuff once I get that far. So here's the farm. Let's turn this off here. Hey, everything stayed on. This is the shop. As I said, everything was left open. We've been here for about a day, so everyone's been doing stuff. I've got issue right there. He never finished concrete and everything to set everything down. We'll figure that out. But here's the shop. Here's the office. Here's the computer. But once you step back here, and this is what I like about how he did things. This is going to be my calf barn. This will be the calf barn. Open that door, they'll run out here. And we'll figure it out. For sure. The noise you're hearing is the weather station he had put in. Right here. What I was told, it does do pretty well. So, I don't know if this thing is full or not. We may have to Okay, it is full. Let's say we may have to pull alone. I don't know. I'm hoping we don't. But yeah. Here's the cold storage barn. Fertilizer spreader, hay equipment. We've got some planters, a mower. There's the skid steer. You know, we've just got equipment here. These are the last things he bought. I have the auger, another hay barn. This is the dairy barn he had built and just kept getting added on. We're going to figure it out. For sure. We're going to figure it out. We'll see how long it takes to get this going. But what the thing I like is the different rooms back here he made. Like, this goes into back here to here. I could put something in here. And I don't know why I'm lagging right there. Just different rooms for different stuff. So and here's the last one, which is kind of like a break room. And we may keep it more like a break room. But yeah. And then first this goes into where the milk gets picked up. And huh. Can't shut that door. Oh well. But this is where the cows would be. And then they go out here to the pasture. So let's jump over this. Yeah. Alright. Well, that's what the farm's gonna look like. How about well, I'm gonna go have my wife take me out to the field that Grandpa just ran. So I'll meet you when that happens. All right, she just dropped me out. He had 2 fields of wheat he ran, and we're gonna have to bale straw. But we're gonna try to get this back. I was gonna store it, but I think we're gonna sell it. So let me get the Mazzy started here. Okay. Let's get out here a little bit. It's probably going to save, but that's... All right. Let's go here. It's going to be raining here in a little bit, so that's okay. Let's go here. And it's wheat. Boom. What has the better price? Right. Well... The bell cell. Well, let's go here. Let's go HH Milling. Let's see. Let's go here again. Let's see. Where is it at? Oh, right down there, right? Well, I think the best thing to do, being I need money, is to take this and sell it. Instead of storing it, we're going to sell them. And that's going to give us some money. I think the only thing I may sit on is corn if I have some. The reason being is I've got to work on raising, making the hay, the silage, and the straw and stuff for getting animals. The first thing I should probably get is probably the lactating ones, because they'll give me, and then get calves or whatever, because at least I will have milk. So we'll see. I mean, I think we'll have to start looking at my fields for sure. I gotta see. All right, it's in 10. If you don't know what map this is DR Modding's Farmersville, North Carolina. I had a series on it just not too long ago, but when I was searching up things and seeing these new barns, I fell in love with it. I need more ACO equipment because I'm definitely an ACO man. But I do have, Grandpa does have a Minneapolis Moline, and we'll probably be going right, see there's another one of his fields. We'll be going right by where that tractor is, which he does have some farm help that came with the farm. That is, they're going to help me this year get things done. This tractor is more or less the plant tractor, and you know, the odds and ends kind of thing. I do have a Ford that Grandpa just used to feed cows and stuff, but it may, see right there's my Moline. It's just going around getting the fields gone that we don't have much of. He's probably done for the day. It's 4 o'clock. I told him, unless we're really busy, just stay until about 4, and then we'll start the next day. We're not pressed for time right now. The bad thing is we run with gravity wagons. I don't have a semi, but we're going to work on growing this farm. I like the setup. I like everything that we can get involved with. When I get back after dumping this at the mill, I will definitely show you guys the logging business. I think no, it's up here on the other side. We'll show you the logging business. Well, we're going to be farmers first, logging second, kind of thing. So, just because we're only going to log, that's there in the back. All right, we're this where I go. Yep. All right, here's the first one. Just watch. Look at that money go up. Well, hopefully we're doing pretty good. These Brent wagons are hold a lot. They really do. As I said, I may only try to store corn this year. Soybeans, the wheat, anything like that, we'll take in. That one was pretty full. That one was really full. Sorry guys, I was looking at something as I was doing this. Holy moly. That's giving me a lot of money. Not saying I can spend it all at one spot, but at least I'll be comfortable right now. Probably all going to go into now. It's finally starting to see through the glass. At least we know this is going to go to bread. That's what this facility does. Going to have to find. At least I can go get fuel in the fuel tank of my truck. And that box alone, this one alone, which is the most, is giving me almost 10 grand. Matter of fact, it might be giving me 10 grand. Oh, it did. It gave me 10 grand. This was a good idea. Let me tell you. Let me move up for the second one. Excuse me. All right. Had to see. They opened that one up. This load alone, it was 1070, 10,700, might as well say. And this load gave me, I would say it's almost $12,000 I made. No, more than that, 13. Yeah, about $15,000 total. Yep, about $15,000. That was probably one of the better decisions I have made. Because having the auger there, I'm like, oh, maybe I'll just hold on to it until the price is good. But when you don't have any money, you got to do what you got to do to survive. Now, the next thing I've got to really do is oh, this is nice, right across the road. I didn't look, so I'm hoping everything is good. I was told this place here gets great breakfast in the morning. We may have to go there and meet some people. But, you know, being new to the area, we're getting there. So we're going to have to get the combine back and get in the shop. I think the Oliver I need to take out to the field I want to plant oats in. I've always been told if you're going to save anything, save oats. Oats don't get planted in the spring. But I probably really should plant wheat also for the straw. Oats will give me straw too, but one big field of straw and then oats something smaller. I don't know. But anyhow, that's take this and pull it in and figure out where we're going to keep the wagons. I want to keep everything kind of separate. Farm on one side, logging on the other. Even though I do know the Ford is the only tractor that we'll keep that there for now. Over here is the heifer barn. That's my house. We just upgraded to that. But this Ford tractor will basically feed the cows, but also work some of the equipment here. This is for the log storage. I want to get some a dirt path going to the back. We'll figure out how we're going to do that. But once you get in here, there's the thing he bought to trim trees. This dump truck hooks to that chipper to sell wood shavings. I got something that goes on the back of that Ford to mill up stumps. This skid steer, we're going to get more attachments for it. Maybe a log attachment, but that will take down the weeds. And this is to drag out logs if we want and if we need to. Now let's make a little trip back here. I'm thinking using maybe just one of the tillage back here, but yeah, we're gonna get back in here and we're gonna clean this out, and then I'm gonna get a planter and stuff that we want to plant for and go from there. But that's what this series is going to be. Mixture of dairy, logging when we need to, and going from there. We never know. We may find some winter jobs for the logging too. So anyhow, we are going to call this a video, and we're going to see how far this series goes, because this one I really like. I'm going to work on unloading my trailer and see what September brings. So have a great week, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later, y'all.